evening. What do you want to do tonight?
Same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Azurich here. Thank you for watching my video. So let's make this thing bigger. Right. So let's make to this M5, right? Let's change it to Euro USD, right? So this is the Euro USD. So as you can see here, this graph is going sideways, right? So normally in 5 minutes, I'm on the 5-minute graphs. If you're on the H1 time frame, it's clearly giving you an uptrend, right? So how do you know this is an uptrend? Probably you can take this right from here. There you go. That's an uptrend, bro. It's a very easy task. Right, so today I'm not talking about this part of it. So how do you know? One of the indication that you can use using average directional movement, right? So the average directional movement is normally you can use on the one of the indicators, right? Probably some of you don't have to use indicators because of you are professionals, or you have trade long enough to know which trend that the graph is going, right? So this today is a new video for beginners, right? Only. So for example, this one you can see, if I move forward to the back, right? So you can see it's a downtrend, and there is a resistance here, right? It's easy to determine, right? So that's a resistance. So you can draw up the line, right? It's all the way to here. You can draw the resistance, right? So now, up until now on Euro USD, you can see it has break, right? The resistance. So you have now entered a new support line, right? So let me make this simpler. So that's the new support line here. It has break the resistance, right? So how do you know it's a support line? You look back on the graph. That's a support resistance. So it has went upwards, right? So you have new support here, right? So let me tap this. That's a new support. So that's how you read this graph, right? So this is totally for new beginners, right? You can use ATR indication, right? Average directional movement. You can use MACD for divergence. You can look for probably a scalping strategy. It depends on how you are suitable for trading. every person have different strategy, right? So this is one way how to identify. So if you have that, probably you can put here, if you buy from here to here, right, you can see that. So that's the stop loss, and that's the take profit clearly, right? So you can have that in the middle, right? So if you buy here, it will be on hunting mode, right, for a while, and then it will go up, break the support line, and go to the next resistance, right? So let me show you how. So that's a new resistance there, right? 1.14779, something like that, right? So that's a new support, that's a new resistance. So it has break that, right? So how do you know? So it has gone up, right, and have a resistance here, and gone up again to test the new resistance, right? So it's very easy. So this is how we trade. So if you go bigger, I'm not going to pips and all, right? So if you go into pips and all, it'll be much longer video, right? Probably can watch other YouTubers who's expert in pips, right? There are a lot of them, right? So what pips, right? So this you can learn. So if you like my video, subscribe to my channel right down below, right? So it's down below there somewhere, right? Subscribe and give it a thumbs up and smash that notification bell for me, right? Cheers, peace.